Hi friends. All right, so I just got a message from a friend asking about natural solutions for insect repellent, and I want to jump on here real quick and something I've been wanting to do anyways, and so I just want to jump on here and share how to make a insect repellent, mosquito repellent with essential oils. And so I am really excited about this year. Last year, doTERRA came out with an essential oil that research tells us is just as effective as DEET. So throw out those cans of toxic chemicals and make this recipe. So I've got a couple of different options to share with you guys. There's a couple different container options you can do. doTERRA sells these fantastic spray bottles on their website. It's got like kind of an aerosol, I don't know if you can see that. It's got an aerosol type of mist. I really like this, and this is what I'll probably end up making at some point for my family. I'm not going to make it in this one today because this is my perfume spray that I need to remake. But this is really nice for kind of like, you can get a lot more spray out of it. So I recommend buying this 2-pack off the doTERRA website to make the spray with. Another option is doTERRA sells an already made outdoor blend repellent. And so I'm actually going to add to this one today. And then another option is you can buy these you can buy any or if you have handy a spray bottle at home, you can just reuse that. So I, a couple summers ago, helped my my mother-in-law to remake a blend. She had bought a fancy natural bug repellent from a boutique store, and it was I think like 15 or 18 bucks. And we just refilled that bottle with some essential oils from stuff that was in there, and saved a ton of money on that. So the oils that I'm going to recommend is first and foremost lemon eucalyptus. So when I talked about the CDC promoting essential oils as a replacement for DEET, this is the oil that we have research on that tells us that this is going to be just as effective as DEET at repelling mosquitoes. And I will provide a link for that in the description so that you can go check it out yourself. Really cool stuff. Another one that we often see, and this is also new as of last year, is citronella. I imagine there is some research on this one, but I haven't found it myself personally, but we just all know that citronella is great at repelling. And then the other one is the Terra Shield. So it's the same oil that's in this bottle, which is the outdoor blend. If you don't have these oils, that's okay. Some that you might have on hand is going to be lavender, peppermint, and lemongrass are great. Melaleuca also. I will say that I can't stand by they're just as effective as DEET. I know that they will be effective in repelling insects, but if you're really looking for something like strong and hardy, I would definitely recommend these three: the citronella, Terra Shield, and the lemongrass. And if nothing else, just pick yourself up some lemongrass. It's super affordable. This bottle, I didn't check the price, but I know that it's under $20. And this, with the recipe that I'm going to show you today, it'll make you, gosh, 10 to 20 bottles of this, and so you'll save money. You'll have a just as effective solution, and it'll save you money. So what I would do with, let me just check my recipe here. What I would do with like a larger bottle like this is I would put 20 to 30 drops of lemon eucalyptus in this bottle. Put a tablespoon of witch hazel or vodka. That's just going to help it stay a little bit longer, and then fill the rest with water. If I had something this size, I would do 10 to 15 drops of oil. witch hazel, fill with water. This today, like I said, I am going to take this one that I already have. This has Terra Shield in it. And I am going to add the lemon eucalyptus. And so I am going to put 8 drops in here. 5, 6, 7, 8. So this product is already pretty effective in repelling insects, and this is just going to make it a little bit more effective. It's like putting DEET into this solution, my natural DEET. And so I've got that solution, and it's safe to put on me and the girls. And then I would say if you want to like change the smell of it a little bit, you can add some lavender in there on top of those oils that we put in. So that's it for a natural insect repellent. Let me know if you have questions. I hope you try this. Would love to see you guys, any pictures of you guys doing this, using it on your family. And like I said, I'll put a link below on the research for the lemon eucalyptus. Check it out, and I hope you all have a blessed day.